A warm greeting to all. In last video we have seen the introductory part on digital signal processing, and in which we have seen the meaning for signal, types of signal available, representation of signal, and at last we have seen the advantages of digital signal and its processing by means of using system. And with that introductory part, we are moving into the syllabus of the subject WE8591 digital signal processing, in which the first unit covers the basics of system and signal, and at last we are going to look into these signal conversion techniques too. The very first topic is classification of system, in which we are having two major classification. One is continuous and another one is discrete, and followed by further classifications of discrete signal system. Now we'll move on to the very first topic of first unit, that is classification of systems. In this slide we are looking into the mathematical models of two types of system. The very first one is continuous time system and second is discrete time system. And hope we are aware of the meaning of continuous time and discrete time. So with that hope, we are just moving into the comparison, and that means the difference between the continuous time and the discrete time mathematical models. If you want to design a mathematical model of a system, that is continuous time system, we can make use of differential equations. And if you want to design a discrete time in a mathematical model, and we can go with difference equation. This is a major difference between continuous time and discrete time systems. And we'll see the classifications of system in detail. The very first one is continuous time, and it is going to process the analog signal, that is x of t, and second one is discrete time system. And for designing that discrete time system, we have to go with difference equation, and it is going to make use of a discrete time system or a digital system. And we all know the representation of discrete time signal is a x of nt, and if you are going to normalize this discrete time system, we will be getting a digital signal. And this discrete time system is having a further classification starting from linear till time variance, and we can say either linear or non-linear system, or causal or non-causal, stable or unstable, dynamic or static, recursive or non-recursive, time variance or time invariance. These are the classifications of a discrete time system. And from next slide we'll discuss the types of discrete time systems in detail.